plane mirror problems. Okay. First I discuss first question. Two plane mirrors are at 45 degrees each other. Here this is the plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. This angle generally denoted by theta. Theta get 45 degrees. If object placed in between them, then the number of images will be then generally first to determine 360 by theta. Here already theta value is given 45 degrees. It will finally we get 8. 8 is a even. 8 is a even. What is the number of images formula? 360 by theta minus 1. Already 360 by theta value is 8. 8 minus 1. Finally we get 7. Okay. This is the first problem. Second problem also I discussed. Look here. A ray reflected successively for two plane mirrors at a certain angle undergo a deviation. Here two plane mirrors is given and net deviation is 300 degrees. Generally net deviation, that means total deviation formula is generally net deviation is 300 degrees. Total deviation generally formula is already today I discussed 360 minus 2 theta. Here theta is angle between two plane mirrors. Here 300 minus 360 minus 2 theta. Here 2 theta is finally 16 and theta is 30 degrees. Theta is angle between two plane mirrors. Here find number of images. First number of images means 360 by theta. Here theta right, 360 by 30, 12. That means 360 by theta is even. What is the formula for number of images? 360 by theta minus 1, 12 minus 1. Finally we get 11 and finally we get 11. Okay. Look here once again. Here deviation is given 300 degrees. Finally theta is angle between two mirrors. Here theta is given automatically 360 by theta is 12. 12 is even. What is the number of images formula? 360 by theta minus 1. That means 12 minus 1. Number of images will get 11. Okay. Next Nana. Next in the material, third problem Nana. Third problem Nana. To get 5 images of a single object, one should have two plane mirrors at an angle. Once again I repeat, to get 5 images of a single object, one should have two plane mirrors at an angle of. Okay. In this question, number of images is given 5 Nana. Number of images formula is generally 360 by theta Nana. Okay. 360 by theta. Here 360 by theta. Here what is the theta value Nana? Theta is 360 by 5 Nana. According to question 5 7s 35, 72 degrees. 72 degrees Nana. Next question Nana. Fourth question is, look here, very important question. Fourth question. A small object placed 10 centimeters in front of the plane mirror. For example, this is the plane mirror Nana. Here object is placed 10 centimeter from the mirror. 10 centimeter from the mirror. Here a person stand behind the object 30 centimeter from the mirror. Here Nana, look here. The person behind the object and 30 centimeters from the mirror. Find the image distance from the person. Okay. We know that in the plane mirror, the distance of the object equal to the distance of the image. Here image is formed behind the mirror nana, this is image. In the according to concept, distance of the object equal to distance of the image. Here 10 centimeters, automatically this also 10 centimeter. According to question, find the distance between person and image. Here do here 30, here do here 10. 30 plus 10 becomes 40 centimeters. Finally we get. Next nana, the question number is 5 nana. Here a watch shows a time. A watch shows a time 3:25 nana. When seen through the mirror, appear time is nana. Already yesterday I discussed plane mirror nana. The image is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means left right. Right becomes what? Left. For example, ఇలా ఉంది ఇలా వస్తుంది. Okay, that means left right. Right appears left. That is a basic phenomena of the plane mirror. ఇలాంటి వచ్చినప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చిన టైంని అపియర్డ్ ఇమేజెస్ రావాలి అంటే 12 minus 3:25. 12లో 3 పోతే ఎంత నాన్న 9. 12 subtracted by 3 9. 1 hour. 1 hour అంటే 60 minutes. 60 minutesలో 25 minutes పోతే 35. 8:35 is the final answer. 1 hour is nothing but the 60 minutes. Here 12 minus 3 9. 1 hour తీసుకుంటే 8 అవుతుంది. 1 hourలో 25 minutes పోతే 1 hour means 60. 60 minus 25 will get finally 35. Okay, next problem nana. The question is clearly listen. A man towards the mirror nana. A man towards the mirror. This is the object nana. What is the speed of the object is given 15. This is the image nana. Speed of the image. According to concept, distance of the object equal to from the mirror, distance of the image from the mirror. That means both side differentiating on both side. Speed of the object towards the mirror equal to speed of the image towards the mirror. This also 15. Okay. That means speed of the object equal to speed of the image. Here the question is speed of the image with respect to image object. It will be determined in the previous class. Finally we get 2v. Here 2 into v 15. 2 into 15 30. Okay. Next problem I discuss nana. Look here. Here nana, next problem nana. Look here. 7th problem. First I read the question. A person standing at the center of the room nana. This is the mirror. Mirror hangs on the wall. A person stands at the center of the room. Here 12-meter high looks into the plane mirror fixed on the wall. The minimum length of the plane mirror for him to see full length of the image of the wall behind him. ఈ వాల్ మొత్తాన్ని ఈ వాల్ హైట్ ఇచ్చాడు నాన్న. ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు అంటే 12 meters ఇచ్చాడు. These 12 meters see in the mirror. What is the length of the mirror required? I give already this formula nana. Length of the mirror required 1/3 of height of the wall nana. Okay, 1/3 height of the wall is 12. 12/3 4 meters. Okay. Next problem nana. 9th problem, because 8th problem is the spherical mirror. Spherical mirror not in this weekend nana. Next I discuss plane mirror nana. This is the 9th problem nana. 9th problem. Look here nana. Here a ray of light is incident at 50 degrees on the middle of the one of the two mirrors arranged at an angle 60 degrees between them. The ray then touches the second mirror, get reflected back to the first mirror, makes an angle of incidence. Okay. Look here now. Question I can again explain. A ray of light is incident at 50 degrees on the middle of the one of the two mirrors arranged at an angle 60 degrees between them. then the ray then touches the second mirror, get reflected back to the first mirror, makes an angle of incidence. The question I can explain, Nana. Look here. This is the mirror. This is the mirror. This is M1. This is M2. For example, this angle is given. Angle between two mirrors is 60 degrees. And again, here a ray of light incident at 50 degrees. For example, this is the light ray. Nana. This light ray normal to jese angle. This angle of incidence is given 50 degrees. Nana. 50 degrees. ORR. Ila kuda cheyochu nana. To look here. This is the first mirror. This is the ray. Nana. Look here. This is the ray. Here, this ray. What is the angle of incidence is given? Normal to jese angle 50 degrees. In the mirrors, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. According to law of reflection, angle of incidence 50 degrees. Automatically, angle of reflection also 50 degrees. Okay? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Here, the ray touches the second mirror, get reflected back to the first mirror. Here also, look here, this is the normal, okay? Here 50 degrees. Automatic ga idemoutundo cheptaru nanna 40 degrees, because this mirror and normal perpendicular 50 plus 40 total becomes 90. But this is the right angle triangle, triangle. In the triangle, look here, Nana, this is the triangle. In the mathematics, total triangle angle is 180 degrees. Here 60, here 40, 100. Automatically it becomes is 80 degrees. Okay? 80 degrees. This is the normal of the mirror, Nana. This total angle is 90 degrees. So it becomes automatically 10 degrees. We know the law of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. So that's why here, Nana, look here, 1 minute, Nana. Here the ray diagram is, this is the angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Here, look here. This is the normal, Nana. This is angle of incidence. This is angle of reflection. This also how much? 10 degrees. Here, look here, Nana. This is the normal, Nana. This is the another triangle. To look here, another triangle. Here. This is 60 degrees. Here 80 plus 10 plus 10. How much? 100. 100 plus 60, 160. This becomes automatically 20 degrees. Okay? That means because total angle in the triangle becomes 180 degrees. Here 20, it's automatically 70 degrees. This can be determined. This can be, what is the angle of incidence here? 70 degrees. Angle of incidence means incident ray, the angle between incident ray and normal. This angle becomes how much, Nana? 70 degrees. Okay? Completed the exercise 2, Nana. And to solve remaining mirror problems, in the give exercise and examples also give you by using PDF to solve all the problems. Okay?